Greetings from Kastella Beach in Larnaca. This is a blue flag beach, which means it has met certain criteria set by the European Union to have that flag awarded. And the sun is now up. It is 11:25 a.m. and I'm exploring the second beach for today in Larnaca as the wind starts to blow harder right now. So I visited earlier FINIKOUDES and I have walked along the coast, and this is the next last beach I'm gonna visit during my Cyprus vacation, and today is day 15, the last day of my vacation. After this I'm going to check out Mackenzie Beach, that's very close to the airport, where I'm gonna then start to walk towards the airport to catch my 4 p.m. flight. So there is still plenty of time to enjoy this paradise here. So let's then unravel and show you this beach that's not so crowded on this 4th of January 2024, and it is 20 degrees Celsius in the air. In the sea it is 19.6 degrees Celsius here in Larnaca today. So the sunbeds and the umbrellas are missing because it is out of season, but they are here during the summer months, and it is the season, vacation season for most people. And when it's above 30 degrees both in the water and in the air. So there is some sand, pure sand, where I started, but now it turns into the same texture it was at FINIKOUDES, wet sand, but still it's nice for a swim. Let's see if it's gonna be shallow here too. Starts off very shallow, and there are some small waves probably. And I can see also the airport from here. It's less than 5 kilometers from here. And yeah, I can't believe that this is the last beach adventure from Cyprus, and day 15. I have had so much fun during these 15 days and explored so many different beaches. Some of them I've already visited during the summer, some have been completely new, like this one. This is the first time I'm here at this Kastella Beach ever, so it's super nice, super nice. Okay, it starts to get a bit more deeper as I go. It's not as shallow as FINIKOUDES over here. And besides me, there's one more person, two more people in the water swimming currently. All right, then let's not wait any longer and take a swim here at Kastella Beach in Larnaca, Cyprus. Yoo-hoo! Ah, wonderful. This is amazing. This is super nice. Beach adventure on the 4th of January. It's surreal. In Europe. Well, technically Cyprus is in the Middle East, Asia, but it's part of the European Union. So, yes, 3 days of Kastella Beach, this blue flag beach here in Cyprus, in Larnaca, more exactly. So now I'm going to chill here a bit before I head off to Mackenzie Beach, and after that to the airport of my 4 p.m. flight to Arlanda, Stockholm. So thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.